it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to our 31 days of Halloween. Today I'm showing you guys how to make these cute little cheese eyeballs. They're so easy, so incredibly easy, and they're cute and they're a little creepy because of the colors going on over here, and I really love them and I hope you do too. So here we go, and let's just get started on the recipe tutorial thingy. So the first thing you're going to need are these cheese balls. These are from Galvani and they are cherry sized. I don't know how to say that C word, but they are cherry sized. You're also going to need some picks. You could use toothpicks, you could make your own food picks, anything like that. And you're going to need some olives. I have olives stuffed with pimento because they look creepy. So first I'm just slicing all of my olives. I wanted the slices to be fairly thin so that it would just sit on the cheese really easily and not be too heavy and fall off. Also, the food picks that I'm using in this video are something that I made myself, and there's a DIY video on it if you are interested in watching. So literally all we're doing is sticking the food picks into our balls of cheese and placing a slice of olive onto the cheese, and that's literally it. It's so easy, so simple. This is really more of like an idea than a recipe because there's really nothing to this. You could also get cheeses that are already seasoned. They're definitely a lot more flavorful than just getting the plain mozzarella cheese. And that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. And definitely don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can keep up with the rest of the Halloween videos coming up this month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.